What do you want to open?
This.
What is it?
I don't know.
What did you just call it?
I don't know.
You said cute bottle. Okay, show it to me. Put it up by your face and show it to me. Is it so cute?
Yeah.
Does it fit? Can we put it on your backpack somewhere?
Here.
You can put it all the way inside?
Uh-huh.
Cool. Okay.
It's not in here.
Okay. Oh, you're going to fill it right now. You want to put toys in there?
There. I'm gonna put it right now.
Nice. All right. Good job, Emma. Wow, you're going to put everything in there?
Come on. That's all. Put it up and put it in here.
Okay. Can you sing a song?
No.
Oh, okay.
I can't busy right now.
Oh, you're busy right now. Okay. You are silly. Wow, that backpack holds a lot of stuff.
Mm-hmm. A lot of stuff. A lot of stuff.
Hey, are you wearing your big girl undies today?
Yeah?
Oh, good. We need to show Grandma what you have on, too. Because she'll be so proud of you. You stayed dry all day. Where have you been going potty?
And the toilet.
On the toilet. Oh, here. I think there's something. Here, go like this. Here. No. You can just hold it together. Okay, now zip it up. Good job. It might be easier if you hold on to this hard silver thing. Okay.
Put it. There's a lot of stuff in the backpack.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Do you need help? Help? Okay. Okay. You're all set. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Love you.